What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in at AutoZone right now. I had to pick up a couple things real quick. I was just looking around the shelves and stuff, and I was just seeing how they got tons of different things that someone has created to help out on a car, to help out on accessories, to help out with repairs, to help maintain your vehicle. And a lot of these things are being designed and built by someone who was actually working, someone who was actually needing the item itself, so they built it themselves. So it's not hard actually to get things going. If you look at the system, they'll tell you got to go through a lot of loopholes. You got to spend a lot of money with a lot of people, but all you really need is the audacity to make it happen and start making it happen. And don't have no excuse. Just figure it out, because you can learn as you go. And believe it or not, those who are there on that level, when they see you struggling, they see you really grinding to do what needs to be done, they'll give you a hand. They'll be like, hey, I see where you're going. Let me shine some light on here and get you to that next level. But until you put yourself around the people that you need to be around and you keep hustling, ain't nothing gonna happen, man. So if you got something within you, a product or service, start working on it, man. It's 2020. There's no reason for you to keep living the way you're living when you can break the chains. If you just be able to break them barely for yourself, or your kids can have a completely different life, then it'll be worth it. Hold on.